Which of the following pairs is the solution for the system? Okay, when we say solution for the system, let's go ahead and just write out our system. X plus 2y equal to 8. Negative 2x plus y equal to 14. So what are we going to do here? We are going to try to see what we can actually just use substitution here. This is going to be a lot easier. I always prefer to use substitution when if the coefficient of one of the terms is 1. So I can come over here and say that based on this equation here, x is going to be 8 minus 2y. So now I'm going to take this value and substitute that into this equation. So it's negative 2, 8 minus 2y plus y equal to 14. So let's go ahead and simplify this. Negative 16 plus 4y plus y equal to 14. So now we're going to move 16 over to the other side. So 5y is going to be equal to 30 and y equal to 6. If y equal to 6, so when you're doing a test like this, when you get a value, just check the different answer choices and see which one, if there's a value that matches what you're looking for. And I can see here that y equal to 6 only shows up in this answer choice, so I don't need to go further. Remember, I have only 1 minute to answer questions, so the faster you can get through this, the better. So